Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. So I literally just like 5 seconds ago pressed stop on the camera after recording what has to be the most disappointing Ipsy showdown I've ever filmed. And I have 3 other Ipsys here next to me. They are the Ipsy Pluses, and for some reason I got 3 this month. I don't know. Last month I got 1, this month I got 3. I feel like they're just throwing random Ipsys at me at this point. Even though Ipsy doesn't send me PR like at all whatsoever, I buy all these myself. I guess I just get different amounts each month. Maybe I should look into that. But I'm just so like saddened by the last Ipsy showdown that I like 5 seconds ago. It still says showdown on the board. Just filmed. That I feel like I have to open these up to see if they redeem it, like, at all. If you notice, I still don't have makeup on my face. I was gonna do a try-on portion, but, like, there was nothing to try on. Besides, well, my cheeks are shiny because there was one highlighter in there. So let's see if Ipsy can redeem itself with the first ever Ipsy Plus showdown. Which, I mean, I guess these 3 things have different profiles or something. I don't know. I hope they're better. Alright, so let's go ahead with the first bag here. These all should be from the month of June, because they all came during the month of June. So I'm assuming that's what they're from. If you guys have not seen the very disappointing Ipsy showdown, I'm sure it'll go up before this one, so I will put it somewhere here on the screen. I'll link it down below in the description as well. But they do have very cute bags for the month of June, as we saw in the last video. I like how they look like little stickers and stuff. I think that's pretty cute. Alright, the first thing we have in here is a BFF Best Face Forward Purifying Cleanser with BHA aloe vera finger lime and green tea. It's supposed to fight bacteria deep in the pores, gently remove dirt and oils, minimize blackheads, and reduce inflammation. All that sounds pretty nice actually, and the packaging of this is pretty cute as well. So yeah, this is a full size. I think all the items in this bag are supposed to be full size, so that's good. Ooh, next we have a little pack of brushes here. I think I already know where these are from, and they look pretty adorable. Oh, just so sparkly. Okay, so these are from SL Miss Glam. I can tell because they have those 2 little shiny nubs in there, but they are really cute. They have like different color glitter in the handles, and then they're a 2-tone bristle on top. I think these are actually pretty cute, and SL Miss... I just said the name. Not even 15 seconds ago did I say the name. SL Miss Glam brushes I have found are pretty decent, so yeah, these are super cute. Alright. Different bag. You're off to a little bit of a better start than the other one, so that's good. Next in here we have the App2 Skincare Pomegranate Moisturizer. Plumping. I'm not 100% sure why my brain thought this was a hand lotion, but when I saw plumping on there, I was like, that's something I never really wanted for my hands. But no, it's just a regular lotion. Not really sure what it's supposed to plump. Is it for your face? I guess this is for your face. My brain is like not letting me equate this with face moisturizer, but apparently this is for your face, so it is supposed to plump your skin, revitalize it. It's supposed to be lightweight and non-chlor clogging. I'm sure you guys can figure out what that's actually supposed to mean. Alright, next in here we have something from Yensa. This is a Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. The packaging of this looks pretty interesting. It says it's supposed to be vibrant, so I'm assuming we're going to see a very bold color in here. This is in the shade Free Spirit. Oh, the packaging of this is a little bit different, so you like press this and it pops out from there. It does feel a little bit on the cheap side. What? Right there it says Vibrant Silk Lipstick. The bottom of this says Free Spirit with like the daggone reddest, coraliest, orangest sticker I've ever seen. And then I open it up and this is what you see. I mean, for my taste, this is probably something I would wear more than I would like this color. But I feel like when you call this a vibrant lipstick and then call it Free Spirit and put a red sticker on the bottom, you might assume it's a little bit something different than that. Than like a dusty pink. Anyway, okay, that was actually a little bit of a letdown. I was kind of hoping for a vibrant red. I typically wouldn't, but like after being promised a vibrant red, like, I don't know, it just surprised me. And then finally, the last thing in here is from Mud Masky. This is a serum infused eye mask. I don't know if I've ever seen an eye mask just for your eyes that isn't like a little boomerang thing you put underneath there. This is supposed to reduce dark circle, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. Okay, this I'm actually pretty interested in trying. My eyes have been, they've been getting a little bit better, but they have been like very dark dark underneath and a little bit puffy, so this is actually pretty interesting to me. For some reason, these bags don't come with like a list of prices or anything, even though these are full-size items, and it would be easier to give like prices for them because you know like the exact price. Anyway, I would definitely say so far I like this bag better than I did like my Ipsy base bags. I'm still not honestly blown away, but there are some items in here that I'm definitely more excited about, and I do like the brush set and like the under eye stuff. But yeah, so far June's not really blowing my socks off. My socks are staying pretty firmly on my feet. But before we move on, I would love to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Native. Sunscreen is so important to apply daily to help protect your skin, whether you're like out and about all the time or you're kind of like me and you don't really leave your house. Either way, it doesn't matter, you still need to incorporate sunscreen into your daily skincare routine. And fortunately, Native has launched a brand new product, which is a mineral face and body sunscreen. It has 30 SPF coverage and comes in 3 different scents, which are rosé, coconut and pineapple, and unscented. I personally think that I would love the coconut and pineapple one. That sounds amazing. What I do love about the sunscreen is that it is lightweight, it's not sticky, it's not greasy, and it's hydrating. Plus, it is dermatologist tested, reef safe, 97% mineral and plant-based, plus it's vegan and cruelty-free. It's also so easy to apply, there's no white residue, and it looks great under makeup. Be sure to use 3 pumps when you're applying it to your face and 1 full ounce when you're applying it to your body for sufficient protection. All of us, even those who don't typically leave their house, do love soaking up some vitamin D on a beautiful sunshiny day. And what better way to do it safely than with Native's new sunscreen? Because Native is so excited about their new sunscreen launch, they are going to give you 30% off face and body. Normally $36, you can get both items for $25 with my code AlexandriaR2. That is 30% off, so make sure to check it out and protect your skin this summer. Alright, bag number 2, feeling a little bit on the light side, not gonna lie. I gotta refuel in between these bags. It's taking it out of me. Plus, I'm sorry, I've had like a sore throat and a cough and a sinus infection and bronchitis for like the past 2 weeks, and it's kind of affecting my voice a little bit, so sorry about that. Moving on to bag number 2 here, we are feeling a little bit light, a little bit scant inside of here, so let's see what we have inside. Oh look, another vibrant, just the brightest thing you ever did see, lipstick in the shade Free Spirit. That's a very pretty red coral color. So excited to see my very vibrant lipstick. Oh wow.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This moisturizer and me, I feel like we just go like way back now. Like at this moment, we go way back. We've been vibing for years. It's just something that is constantly reoccurring in subscription boxes. This is from Ava. It is a moisturizer, and that's, yep. That's what it is. We've been getting it for years. Alright, the next thing we have in here is from Farah. It is a dual-ended brush. We got a smaller version of this in like the base Ipsy, but this is like just like the big daddy version of it. So we have 2 very fluffy ends. We have a nice like powder brush and a smaller fluffy brush over here. I could see this being like a nice blush brush for me. I like something that's pretty fluffy to apply my brush with. Why would you want to put chicken seasoning on your mouth? Okay, so the next item in here is a Bali Balm lip balm in the shade, scent, flavor, texture. I don't know what they're going for here, but lemon and black pepper. And I can't really say that I've ever personally been like at kind of like the checkout area at Walmart looking at like the rotisserie chickens and seen like the lemon pepper one and been like, you know what I want to do with that? This might be like the strangest concept for lip balm that I personally have ever encountered, but okay. Can't even open it. The universe is telling me not to. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's just lemon. Okay, that just smells like lemon. That's fine. That's okay. I was really nervous, I'm not gonna lie. They had me there for a minute. I was like, I don't think I want to put this on my mouth. But that just honestly smells like lemon. Maybe the black pepper is in there to like plump or something a little bit. It doesn't say anything about plumping, but alright, the next thing in here is from Tarte, another makeup item, which is nice. This is the Hydro Sealer, and I'm actually interested in this because I just did another one of those like Tarte make your own kit things, and I picked the Hydro Sealer. So hopefully I actually like this because I'm gonna have 2 of them now. I do like the packaging of it. It's a little bit different. This is in the shade 12 in Fair Neutral, which I'm pretty sure is a shade that I used in Shape Tape as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal a little bit under my eyes. I doubt we're gonna have much more makeup to try on than this, so I'll give it a go. Maybe we can try, oh my gosh, my face is doing weird stuff over here. These little red bumps are popping up. I just started using a retinol and a hyaluronic acid serum, and I'm thinking, I don't know if my skin's like purging or something, or if that's even a real thing, but it's breaking out in like weird like non-pimple pimples. Besides that one, that's a real pimple. Okay, that did conceal a little bit. It doesn't really look like it did, honestly, too terribly much. I'm gonna try just over here just to see if I can cover up some of these. It has a pretty like tacky feel to it. Yeah, it's definitely not doing much as far as coverage. It's kind of just reducing some of the redness. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. Maybe if I was doing like an actual like makeup look, I could see how it like, worked with other makeup and stuff. But right now, and that was everything in the second bag. So that's. Yeah, again, maybe not my most favoriteest bag of all time. We're seeing a ton of skincare, and I know it's summer and skincare is definitely important in summer, but a lot of my profiles that these bags are coming from are set to like makeup heavy, and I don't want skincare stuff, and I tell them like what I like and what I would want in my bags, and it doesn't really seem to be like I'm getting much of that. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what the third and final bag is here. I'm not guessing which profiles are coming from because I don't even know I'm supposed to get 3 bags. I don't know. It's very confusing. Alright, this one seems a little bit bulkier than the last one, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Alright, the first item in here is from Aceology. This is a lifting treatment mask. It's supposed to be a luxurious remedy that fights signs of aging, and based on the very large gold A in the picture on the back, I'm wondering if it's gonna be a gold mask. Oh, it's not gold. It's like chartreuse green, like if Shrek were metallic. Oh, looky there, we got more chicken. We have another lemon black pepper lip balm, which does not smell like chicken, even though it kind of would have been fun a little bit for it to smell like chicken, but no, it wouldn't. Just smelling like lemon's much better. I take that back. It looks like we have another Apt2 Skincare pomegranate moisturizer, so we have another repeat. Okay, this looks actually different. We have an item here from Tanais, which I received a little lip gloss from them in one of my regular Ipsy bags, but this is the Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil Duo. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure the one that I received in my regular Ipsy was just a smaller version of this here. I didn't know that they considered these lip oil. They seem very much like a lip gloss to me. But this is in the shade Plumeria Petals, and then we have Mahina Moon. So like a nice pinky shade, and then just kind of like a, I forgot what colors are. What is that, tan? Like a shiny tan. Ooh, okay, finally, the last thing in here seems kind of exciting. This is a 7-free polish duo from We Are Fluide? That's not how you spell fluid, right? Yeah, I guess We Are Fluide. I don't know. There's an E at the end, so I'm not really sure exactly how to say it, but I really like the packaging. I like anything that looks a little bit like celestial and space. I'm excited to see what colors these are. Oh, very interesting. Okay, so these are kind of like, you know, popular colors now. We have an orange and kind of a beigey tanny color. I do have the bottles of these, like those rounded corners. I think this orange is actually really cool, and this beigey color is something I would definitely end up using on my nails, so for me, I think these are really cute. This orangey one is in the shade Far Infrared, and this one is in the shade Titan Moon. Those are cool names also, so these are actually probably my favorite product that I received in all 3 of these bags. I like the colors, I like the packaging, I think the names are cute, and I like that they are cruelty-free, non-toxic, vegan. I think this is probably the most exciting thing out of the 3 bags, which is a little bit disappointing because honestly I thought these bags were also a little bit disappointing. The regular Ipsy bags and these, I feel like there's just a little bit lackluster this month. They have like super cute bags, but these are probably like the dullest makeup items I've ever received from Ipsy. Like most everything was skincare or like clear. I was hoping maybe the Ipsy Pluses would like redeem the regular base Ipsy bags, but I don't think so personally, but I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Please let me know what you thought about these bags down below in the comments. Also, now I'm wondering, last month I only got 1 Ipsy Plus bag. Am I supposed to get 2 more? What happened to my others? Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you don't mind. It means the absolute world to me. Also, if you wouldn't care to leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, all of that helps out tremendously. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!